Futures on the US stock indexes are making a correctional decline. The US dollar is losing ground as investors are flocking to risky assets. Bitcoin is rocketing above $48,000 per token for the first time ever. The Dow Jones dipped 0.21%, both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 inched down 0.13%. The US stocks are making a downward correction after they hit new historic highs yesterday. The American exchange floors were extending a winning streak for 6 days in a row, as investors were inspired by the prospects of a rapid global economic recovery. The catalyst for a rally in the US stocks was the progress in passing a stimulus package worth $1.9 trillion. On Friday, the Senate voted for the draft bill and the House of Representatives of the US Congress followed suit. Besides, the season of corporate earnings reports is still going on. Social network Twitter, taxi service Lyft, and software developer Cisco Systems are due to report on their quarterly earnings tonight. Almost 300 companies included in the S&P 500 index have already presented their financial records. The revenues of 81% of them have surpassed market expectations. Today, the US dollar is firmly pinned at a one-week low against the basket of 6 major currencies. Amid the overall optimism, investors are poised to buy risky assets, including the euro. Traders are in the elevated mood as progress in the mass vaccination worldwide improves the prospects of the global economic revival. The US dollar index shed 0.37% to trade at 90.60. Experts say that massive financial aid from the US government and ultra-soft monetary policy by the US Fed will put pressure on the US dollar in the long term. The size of a coronavirus relief package totals $1.9 trillion. Investors have already priced in this large-scale stimulus package as well as successful mass vaccination around the world. So, market participants are shifting focus towards risky assets, thus propelling their rally. The greenback has slipped 0.08% against its Canadian counterpart. The USD CAD pair is trading now lower at near 1.2730. Today, Bitcoin has come under the spotlight, having jumped about 20% overnight. The most popular cryptocurrency rocketed above the level of $48,000 for the first time in history. Such a spike was recorded on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Later in the trading day, Bitcoin corrected downwards. At the moment of preparing material for this video, the number one cryptocurrency was trading at $41,435 per token. The driving force for the stellar rally is the news from Tesla. The US manufacturer of electric vehicles reported to the US Securities and Exchange Commission that it had invested $1.5 billion in the digital asset. Moreover, the company intends to accept payment in bitcoins for its products in the near future. Importantly, despite being a game changer, Bitcoin is an innovative asset beyond the government control. Thus, its extreme volatility goes without saying. Nowadays, the digital asset is employed for investment, being much less popular as a payment means. Though some companies allow their clients to pay in Bitcoin through outside payment systems, such transactions are carried out through the third party, which converted digital money into fiat money. Tesla is planning to eliminate third parties and invent its own payment system, which will accept bitcoins and convert them into cash upon Tesla's request. Realistically, based on extreme volatility of this digital asset, Bitcoin will hardly gain widespread popularity. Hence, Tesla's plans about if as a payment means of the future have nothing to do with reality. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.